for best practices and tips for creative finance. I'm super early, yeah? It's okay. First, you want to learn about them, and there's a lot more than what I just talked about in 15 minutes today. So spend some time and or money to either get a mentor or buy a course to understand the different strategies. The more you understand strategies, the more powerful you are as an investor. Because every offer that I make now, on market, off market, I come in with a low cash offer, and I get to come in with a very high creative offer. Next, always people over profits. If the deal is going to be detrimental to your seller, what are you even doing, right? If they don't have a choice, if you are the best option, that is the best. You want to sleep good at night. Next.